Hello, fur friends and their humans. This is Boris from AskBoris.com at Lion Dog Studios, introducing a new release from recording artists Stoney and Flair with their latest hit single, I Will Be There. Enjoy singing along.
Wherever you go, wherever you may travel, day to day, you can be sure I'm always gonna be there, walking beside and chasing away those other dogs, standing with you. I'll always be true. I will be there every morning. I will be there every night. I will chase away your fears till it's alright. Let me walk with you through my lifetime and keep you safe each day. All I say is I will be there. Fun times with you and being by your side throughout my life. I know for sure I always wanna be there. When you're feeling low and need a friend to lean on, here I am. Whenever you call, I'll run to your side. I will be there every morning. I will be there every night. I will chase away your fears till it's alright. Let me walk with you through my lifetime and keep you safe each day. All I say is I will be there. All I say is I will be there.
Grrr. Boris the dog here. Thanks for watching. Please share with your canine compadres and don't forget to give me a paws up. Also, check out my other videos too. This is Boris at AskBoris.com wishing you peace, love, and bacon. Sniff you later.